Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create printer style animation in Figma. So let's jump into Figma and get started. Start by taking a frame. Now take a rectangle. Align it to the center and add corner radius. Now insert an image inside the rectangle. Select the frame and add a stroke. Change the stroke color and increase the thickness. Go to stroke setting and select dynamic. Duplicate the frame and replace the image. Duplicate these frames and scale them up. Now apply auto layer to both small and large image sets. On your main frame, add a printer image and align it. Now bring in the repeat paper image. And add shadow to it. Now add text and any other elements you want to add. Bring the large image frame into the design and move it outside of the frame. Now bring the small image frame, align it with the printer, send it behind the printer and move it outside of the frame. Duplicate the frame. Bring the first image downwards like it's coming out of the printer. Duplicate the frame again. Bring in the second image. At the same time, move the large version of first image to the side. Repeat this process. Connect first and second frame using after delay for 1 ms with Smart Animate and ease in and out for 2000 ms. For the rest of the frames, connect using after delay for 1000 ms and the same easing. You can also use on-run interaction instead of after delay. And that's it. You have created a fun, interactive printer style animation in Figma. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Figma animation tutorials. Until then, keep creating and stay inspired. See you in the next video.